Welcome all friends to my channel. In today's MS Excel video, I will show you the VLOOKUP process. So let's get started. There are two types of lookups. One is VLOOKUP, means vertical lookup, and another is HLOOKUP, means horizontal lookup. So today we will talk about VLOOKUP. See how I do it here. A table has been created in which I have written serial number, employee name, position, basic, net salary. I have also added some data here. Here, some column names are taken from the table. Based on these, we will search the data through VLOOKUP. We will show you the first condition based on the data of serial number 9 in the table. I write 9 here. Now in this column, we will write the formula of VLOOKUP. Type equal and write VLOOKUP and click on VLOOKUP, then click on serial. Number M8 has been written, that means column M and row number 8. Type comma. After that, we will select the entire table and press F4. Then the table will freeze. Type comma. Now how many number is the employee name in the table? So this is the second number, so we will write 2 here. Type comma. As soon as you write the comma, the option of true or false will appear. We will write 0 to make it false. Now close the bracket and press enter. The name of the employee and serial number 9 will show you here. Now we will find out the net salary of serial number 9. Type equal and write VLOOKUP and click on VLOOKUP, then click on serial no. Type comma. After that, we will select the entire table and press F4, then the table will freeze. Type comma. Now how many number is the net salary in the table? So this is the 5th number, so we will write 5 here. Type comma. As soon as you write the comma, the option of true or false will appear. We will write 0 to make it false. Now close the bracket and press enter. The net salary of the employee in serial number 9 will show you here. Vertical lookup and its primary function is to find values in a column. Now if you write any number in the column, its data will be shown here. As I wrote 2 here, its data was shown, like this. Right now I write 6. The data of serial number 6 has been shown. This was today's video. Comment and let me know how you like it. And subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.